Hey there, let's tackle this problem. So, the first two things I want to bring up are these two important equations that we'll be using in this problem. The first one, the point-slope equation, and the second one, the slope-intercept form of a linear equation. And I color-coded these, so I apologize for anyone who's colorblind looking at this response, but hopefully as I draw this out, this will make a little bit more sense. So the point-slope equation is named the point-slope equation is because we can take an ordered pair, a single point, which I here color-coded in green, and we can plug this into this equation along with the slope, which is color-coded in blue, and we'll have a linear form of our equation. Likewise, for the slope-intercept form, it's an easier form for us to identify the slope, which is the same color as the top equation, which is in blue, and also the intercept, which makes it much easier to draw these linear equations. And so this is important because for this problem, when two lines are parallel, their slopes must be the same. And so for this first equation, what we need to do is first figure out what is the slope. And in its standard form right now, we can't easily see that. So we want to transform this first equation, after I rewrite it, into the slope-intercept form. So we have minus 5x plus 7y equals minus 69. I'm going to add 5x to both sides. That then gives us 7y equals 5x minus 69. Then we're going to divide both sides by 7. And then that will give us the slope-intercept form. 5 over 7 x minus 69 over 7. So the important part for us to take away from this is in the slope-intercept form, we now know the slope. Now, for the parallel line the question is asking for, we need to have both the slope and the point. But the great thing is, they already gave us the point in the problem. So the point right here is 4, negative 2. And because the two slopes must be equal, we know the slope. So we can plug these two values in and get the answer that the problem is asking for. And so let's do that really quick. So let's write this out. So we're going to try to keep this all color-coded. So we're going to have y minus, and so in this case, the ordered pair was 4, negative 2. So for the y, it's negative 2. So we're going to plug in negative 2. And the slope has to be the same as our first one. So we're going to plug in 5 over 7. And then we're going to plug in the other part of our ordered pair, which was 4, negative 2. So the x value is 4. And so from that, we can now simplify our expression. So 2 negatives makes a positive, so we have y plus 2. And then we can distribute this 5 over 7. So we have 5x minus 20 over 7. We're going to multiply both sides by 7, so we get 7y plus 14 equals 5x minus 20. And then I'm going to subtract 14 from both sides. And I'm also going to subtract 5x from both sides. So that we get a standard form of 7y minus 5x is equal to minus 34.